On that opening ceremony, there was like a show about the professionalism. There was a car that they drove out, a big silver Mazda, brand new car, and this car was going to be the prize for the best try of the tournament. And so, myself and Ringy and a couple of the other boys were looking at that car. Oh, we've got to win it. We've got to win this car. And so we were just going through moves in the training camp, and we called them Mazda, right? And so basically we said, right, we're going to do this move and we're going to win that car. A couple of the moves, they involved a couple of switches and double loops and me coming in from the outside and they failed in training, and we actually tried it on the field. There was a Mazda move called and I got absolutely poleaxed.
Well, on Andy Pinodactyl.